Hey everyone, it's Donnie Lowy at closeoutexplosion.com. Hope you're having an amazing day today. I'd like to show you a closeout that I have of men's dress shirts. These dress shirts are overstocked from Macy's. You have brands like Bar 3, Van Heusen, some of them are fitted, some are regular. See, this is regular. This one is fitted. You have slim fit as well. Here's a Van Heusen wrinkle-free, size 16.5, 34, 35. Wrinkle-free poplin. This one was a Van Heusen tall, 18.5, 35, 36. So you have the regular sizes, you have the plus sizes. Here's an Izod. This one is a regular fit, size 17, 34, 35. Here's another Van Heusen, 16.5, 34, 35. If you're interested in this lot, you can let me know. There are 12 dress shirts available in this specific lot. Here's a 15.5, 32, 33 Van Heusen. Next we have another Izod over here. This Izod is 16, 34, 35 large. And the last two shirts are Van Heusen, size 16, 34, 35. This one is a regular fit. And the last one is a Van Heusen fitted dress shirt, which is 17, 32, 33, which is an extra large. All right, if you have any questions, you can let me know. You're welcome to visit as well. I have many more items available here. If you have any questions or comments, I'd be very happy to hear from you. My cell phone number, which is also my WhatsApp number, is 1917-913-6093. 1917-913-6093. Thank you so much. Have an amazing day.